Question. My narc husband doesn't love me much or care for me. He's never there for me, but he's extremely possessive, over possessive, and doesn't allow me to talk to anyone. Checks on my phone and wants to know what I do or even what I earn has to be in his control. First of all, there are a couple of things that you're talking about, so I'm gonna pick on to the most important ones. Do you really care about a person, or should you really care about a person who doesn't love you? Number one thing that you need to think about. Secondly, he is never there for you. Okay, this is a very short life, a temporary life. Nobody's gonna take birth with you, and nobody's gonna die with you. We're all here on our own. But we get attached to these relationships, the earthly relationships, and we suffer. If someone doesn't care for you, if someone doesn't love you, if someone is not doing things that you want them to do for you, it means it's time to take things in your own hands and give that love, care, and attention to yourself by yourself. When you love yourself, only then other people are going to love you and respect you. When we don't love ourselves, when we don't respect ourselves, how do we expect other people to do that for us? Third point, this person checks your phone and wants to know what you do. Very, very toxic. You should either start checking their phone and look at their reaction, what do they come up with, or you should think in your mind, you should be smart enough to think that if somebody is constantly checking your phone and they want to know what you're doing, either they are extremely insecure or they themselves are wrong. Because if you are doing all the right things in life, you're never going to think that the other person could be doing wrong to you. So they're either cross checking what if my person is doing the same things that I'm doing behind their back to them, or else they think that you're too good and they could be not giving you love or too much attention, just thinking that it might spoil you. Now, this is something that you have to figure out, and you can come back to me and ask another question if you want. What I earn has to be under his control. This is probably so far the most toxic thing, but there has to be multiple layers to you. Are you guys working together? Are you spending a lot of money on unnecessary things? Is that why he's doing so? Or he is just an extremely narcissistic person who is using you and making you do all the chores, all the work, treating you like a slave, and at the end coming in like a money collector to take away all of your hard earned earnings. Now, these are also things that you need to question yourself, because I still feel this is an incomplete question or this is an incomplete story. Overall, if I look at this question, I see lots and lots of red flags, but I also see that you're extremely attached to this person. Otherwise, you would not be tolerating most of these things. See you in the next one. One love, peace out, and victory to Ram.